Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to wire a plug. So to start off with, I'm just going to unscrew all the screws inside the plug, just with a bigger size screwdriver. There we go. Same with all of them. And this one. Okay, so on the inside of the plug here they have a 13 amp fuse. Okay, so in order to wire a plug, I'm at this stage, so we need to first put in the fuse into this section right here, and that just pops in, clips in like that, and then we can wire the plug up so that ground goes to the top pin. Okay, so ground is the yellow and green wire. Also brown goes to the fuse, blue goes to the other pin, and then ground goes to there. It's a bit fiddly, but you can do it. So one by one, I want to screw the threads in. Screw the screw so that the wire is in contact in the threads. That one's done, and now I want to do this one. That one wasn't done. Can redo it though, just by unscrewing it, put it back, and okay, and then the same for the ground. Just hold it in place and just screw down. Okay, next step is to put the cover back on. Sometimes there is a little clip that goes on. Actually, this time there's the clip. Okay, and then I'm just going to screw these screws in, the same ones that we took out in the beginning. So guys, thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.